Well, it's me, Lovelyn Filipina in the Philippines. So, I'm going to show you guys the update of the garden. So, ako mapalit, di ba ako mapalit? So, guys, update of my update of our garden, guys. Look, oh, the sweet potato. Kita masana imuhang stainless diha. Matabo ni sana ma. Hoy, look at the kanang sweet corn. I'm going to show you the other guys. Sweet potato. Mantuma. Asa mantuma? Ay, dara. Look guys, sweet potato. I'm going to cover it again, guys. So guys, let's cover it again, guys. Oh. Tuma. My sisters. This is our guys, garden update. Our garden, murag na ako. I'm going to show you guys our garden. Our garden, guys. Our garden is growing so well. Look guys, oh. Sweet potato. Matabuni sa lima. Uy, kay ugaha sa daan naman. Ay, nilhan, managkuan basa. Kuan. Hey guys, our guava guys, oh. Growing also. Growing. Uy, our tomatoes. Uy, there's some animals kuan guys, oh. Aba? Hello. Hello guys. So many sweet potatoes na gyud. Here also guys, oh. Hey guys, basig baingon mo nga piki ni tinuod din taw ni. Look guys, oh. Oh. Sweet potatoes guys. Look. Look. I'm going to cover it again. Bubuanan manima. Guys. Look guys. So many tomatoes. Tomatoes. Okra. Huh? Okra, guys. Look at the okra. Okras. Tomatoes. So many tomatoes. The big ones is already got ripened, and we already pick the ripe one. Look at our sweet corn. I'm going to show you our sweet corn, guys. Sweet corn. Hala, ready na gid siya. It's ready na. It's ready. Our sweet corn, guys, is already na. So ready. Ready to harvest na the other sweet corn. Ready to harvest the other sweet corn here. Look, there's a big one. Okay. Our garden, guys, growing so good. Look here. Yay. We can harvest na the sweet corn. Bananas. Manoy Iboy, our uncle. Manoy Iboy mo. Manoy Iboy. Our agbati. Hala, nanga yellow naman ang agbati. Uy, kinahanglan na harvest on. Asa man? Yes, wait sa alab. Wait sa ikaw. The chicks. Oh!
Hala, namiso na siya, uy.
She has chicks. Guys. She has chicks. Tanawa ko naman, pila nakabuk piso. Diha. Nakabuk gani piso. Tanawa. Matanawa ma. Mom's chicken.
Makit anas ko. Ay, mo kay pagsugod. Uy,
Ay, pagsugod. Tabunin na mo. Basta mabasa na diya, ha? Look, spider! Pipa! I'm going to get this one, guys. Let's get this. Look. Look. Lisod na sa ta.
yay!
Hello, lalamian na isugba mo eh. Isugba na gid. Yes, guys. Yay, our new harvest. This one, guys, oh, is so big. This one is so big. Look. I'm going to try this. I'm going to put this on the fire. Oh, it's sweet. Put it in the fire. I'm going to cook this. Paning kamot! Paning kamot! Paning kamot! Green onion. Look, green onion, guys.
Pwede ka kita di susa?
Water spinach. Water spinach. Water spinach.
Ay kuno kay niadto gyud ko na ni ari ko kay ni ara bang pasita di naman ni magpihan ako.